How to grow a zucchini in a container. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So do you love zucchini and you want to grow your own zucchini but you don't have space in the garden to do it? You can grow zucchinis in containers. So I'll show you today step by step how you can grow zucchini in containers, and I'll give you all the details about it. So let's get started and I'll show you how I do it. So to grow zucchini in container, first of all you need a container. This is my 3-gallon container right here, and you also need good quality potting mix or good compost. So I prefer good quality potting mix. I make my own potting mix, and I have a video that shows you how you can make your own good quality potting mix for pennies. I'll put a link for that in the description below. So once you have your good quality potting mix like this, now you can plant it. You can plant zucchinis from seeds, or you can plant it from seedlings like this that you get at the store. So these ones, I'm just gonna plant this in this container. So what you want to do first is make a hole in the middle of the container. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a hole in the middle of our potting mix like this. Then we're gonna take our seedling, and you want to easy way to take it out is to tilt it like this. You just tap it, comes out like that, and then you can take out the label. If you want, you can just put the label there like that, and then we can just put the roots in there like that, and then you just cover it with the soil, with the potting mix. You can push it down like that. That should be fine. Then we can add a little bit more potting mix into it. You want to make sure that you leave at least 2 or 3 inches from the top. I'm leaving like 4 or so inches, because I'm gonna add good quality compost halfway through the growing season. I'm gonna add good quality vermicompost on it to fill it up, and but I'm still gonna leave a little bit of space so that once you water it, the water can drain down. So now we're just gonna add a little bit of compost, a little bit of potting mix should be fine, just to like that. So after planting it, you want to water it. So I have my watering can right here. So you just want to make sure that you soak it well so that the roots continue to get enough water and nutrition. And that is it. So you want to put it in a nice sunny area where it gets a lot of sunlight, and just make sure you maintain the moisture in there. You don't want to let it dry out, and we'll come back in a couple of weeks and see how it's doing. You can also apply organic fertilizer like once a month or once every 2 or 3 weeks. You can just apply organic fertilizer or compost tea to it. So this is the zucchini after more than a month. You can see there's a zucchini coming out on the left, and there's another one on top, and it's doing well. I filled it up with, I added some compost to the bottom of it, and I've been watering it, maintaining the moisture in there regularly. Also watch out for insects and other bugs if you grow zucchini, because you can still have the same insects from pumpkins. Okay, this is it. Look at the zucchini. It's doing great. It's growing well. So you can definitely get some zucchinis from growing in containers like this. So there's no excuse. If you want to grow zucchinis, you can grow them in containers like this. So just make sure that you take care of them regularly, water them regularly, and you should be fine. So let it continue to grow, and we'll be back later on, and hopefully we'll be able to harvest it very soon. Okay, this is it. It's been about 2 months since we planted it. As you can see, we have a huge zucchini plant right here. It's time for us to harvest it. We should be able to harvest this. If you've grown zucchinis and you love zucchinis and you looking to grow zucchinis very soon, let me know in the comments below I'll put below some of the items that I use to grow the zucchinis, like the video on the compost tea that I use to grow it, and some of the organic fertilizers that I use for my gardening. Okay, this is it. Look at the zucchini that we got here from our container. And as you can see, we have one huge one over here. There is another one that's coming out over here, but this one has problem. If you see like this is not good. We just have to take it out. It's already bad. We just have to cut it off, and then new one should come out soon. So that is it. See, this is our zucchini. We're gonna enjoy some zucchinis with this. So let's harvest this. So you can harvest it with a garden share like this. You can use the garden share like this to cut it off the stem. So like I said, you can use the garden share like this. You want to cut it as close to the stem as possible while holding it in place. There we go. Look at that. That is huge. So let's take out this bad one over here. And that's it. So that new one should be able to come out. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Check this out, guys. This is a huge zucchini from our container. So you can grow zucchini in containers, and you can do it anytime. So let's go. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.